I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone won't lock mid-process, so plug it in or charge above 20%. This prevents accidental restarts. Then open Settings and go straight to Security and Privacy or Biometrics and Password depending on your Realme UI. Once there, locate the fingerprint area and tap the specific fingerprint profile you want to change. This gets you to the controls where animation's live and lets you act immediately. Don't pause, move to the customization controls next. Once inside the fingerprint settings, look for Animation, Unlock Effect, or Fingerprint Animation entries. Realme UI sometimes nests them under Display or Special Effects. Tap that option and toggle animations off, or choose none from the list to remove visual effects when unlocking. Make sure to confirm or save changes if prompted, and then lock and wake the phone to test. If the option isn't visible, check Display right arrow Special Effects or System Animations, because some builds move the control. Finish by locking the screen and unlocking with the registered finger to verify the animation is gone. This confirms the setting applied. If the animation still appears, clear the system UI cache via Settings or Storage and check for a Realme UI update, because patches can move or reintroduce toggles. If problems persist, remove the fingerprint entry and re-register it. Then reboot the phone. This often resets the associated animation state and resolves stubborn behavior without wiping data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.